j'étais chez mon père, papa la tour, maman la tour et à Pétolo. Quand j'étais chez mon père, garçon à marier, Pierre, garçon à marier. J'avais rien d'autre à faire, j'avais des couteaux, des fourchettes et des cuillères. J'avais rien d'autre à faire, aucune femme à chercher, aucune femme à chercher, Pierre, qu'une femme à chercher. À cette heure que j'en ai une, papa la tour, maman la tour et à Pétolo. À cette heure que j'en ai une, elle me fait enrager. Elle me fait enrager, Pierre, elle me fait enrager. Elle m'envoie à l'ouvrage, j'avais des couteaux, des fourchettes et des cuillères. Elle m'envoie à l'ouvrage, sans boire ni manger. Sans boire ni manger, Pierre, sans boire ni manger. Oh, quand je reviens de l'ouvrage, papa la tour, maman la tour et à Pétolo. Quand je reviens de l'ouvrage, tout mouillé, tout glacé. Oh, tout mouillé, tout glacé, Pierre, oh, tout mouillé, tout glacé. Je m'assis à la porte, j'avais des couteaux, des fourchettes et des cuillères. Je m'assis à la porte, oh, comme un pauvre étranger. Comme un pauvre étranger, Pierre, oh, comme un pauvre étranger.
So when you foot tap, to get started, with your right foot, if you're right-handed. If you're left-handed, you might choose your left foot, but you go heel, toe, heel, toe, heel, toe, heel, toe. And then you go heel, toe, left, heel, toe, left. That's called single tapping. If you listen a bit, it's like the sound of a horse trotting. Just me who's going to do it. I go. That's single tapping. When I go double, it turns into a horse galloping. So if you listen. Faster? The song is about weaving, and so what you do, you shear it. In French, we call it tondre. Tondre, because her job is going to be to watch the wool, because we all know the sheep, they lie around in their poop and the grass and the hay and the birds, and you got to clean that out of the wool. Your job, after the wool is clean, it has to be carded. In French, we say cardé. Cardé, it's like combing your hair. You know, it's all tangled up and messy. You comb it, it's all nice and smooth. And we're going to have two spinners today, two male spinners. So you hold the thread. This one has got broken. Yeah, you have to be careful. So you hold the thread and you spin it like this, and it makes thread. Usually the wool is longer on it, but today it's a little short-tempered. So there you go, and that's how they make thread. You see how it turns into thread here, and then they wind it around there. So it's called filet. Filet. So that's going to be your job. You're going to pretend there's threads like this, you know, and with this thing, and then you put it through the threads, and then clack, you close the mill, and it taps it and eventually makes fabric. So that's your job. You're going to be selling the wool. So it's called vendre. Vendre. There you go. There's the sheep. So when you hear the tambourine, you guys can, or go like this. Yeah, the sheep can take it down. There we go. So, and now, 1, 2, 3. La laine